So today I'm doing another unboxing. Kinda already took out the wrapping of whatever it is. So I haven't done an unboxing in a while. It's been almost a month, I believe. But yeah, I totally forgot to do my intro, but yeah, I might as well just get straight into it. These are the last ones that they have. These are 100% real. If it wants to focus, AirPods. Straight from Apple. So yeah, let's get straight into it. I am recording this on my phone, so I'm not gonna have me setting it up. I really do wonder if people actually read that. Because I know for a fact I'm not. Enter. Okay. Here it is. Okay. Well, let's get it. A brand new charger. It does come with the charger, but it does not come with the block. Because obviously you gotta charge it. How long are your AirPods gonna stay alive? AirPods, I should say. But yeah, it comes with the charger and the charger port's right there. So, whoa, this